elevations, just me, yes. Just have my wife who does the account stuff, but other than that, yeah, it's been me. Eastern suburbs in Sydney. So the home here is more coastal home. So I've tried to create what you want to see on, for example, the east coast of Australia. So New South Wales beaches, Byron Bay, Queensland, all of that. So what you'd expect on a coastal home is what I've tried to create here. Yeah, so I like to use materials. I like to use everything, natural materials. So my timbers, exposed concrete. I like a lot of timber, obviously you can see. I've got timber pretty much in the kitchen, all the floors. Yeah, I try to use natural materials, natural lighting. I try to get as much as I can, because you don't want, obviously, anywhere to be dark. Yeah. Same as bathrooms. Timber decking, tiled pool surroundings, crazy paving pool tiles. And then mosaics for turn off the pool. I've tried to create skylights over the bathtub to add more light into the shower areas, because that's something people lack all the time in the bathroom, no light. So it's my own designs. Every time I use a different architect, every job's different. Depends on the block that I buy. So once I purchase something, then it's working out what do I want to build, how much I could build, as in like how many square meters can I build a single home, can I build a duplex, and then I just work it out after that on the design. So architects, Fernando from Arc House is a company, Arc House. Challenge probably, I don't know, just thinking how it's going to all turn out together. You don't know exactly how it's going to turn out. It might look good in person, trying to say, yes, this tile looks good, the flooring looks good. But until you do it in person, then you only know if you've achieved it or not. It's kind of risky too, doing what I'm doing, because you don't think concrete ceiling is an industrial look, but then you've got a coastal home, so you've got all your warm colours, but also you've got like more of a cool colour on the ceiling. So that's a bit risky. I didn't know how that was going to turn out. I was just going to do it, and if it turned out well, like it did, I was going to leave it, and if it wasn't, I was just going to plaster. I've had inspiration to do off-form ceilings. I've never done it before, so that was a challenge too. And for it to come out as good as it did, because a lot of people have tons of rust and it just doesn't come out as well. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. It looks really good. My work does the talk for me.